Target Online provides several modules designed to make emissions reporting effortless and efficient. With our tools, you can generate real-time, customizable reports that are easy to submit to government agencies and compatible with many maintenance programs like SAP and Maximo. Let's explore 5 powerful reporting tools that streamline how you access and manage your data. First, we'll look at how to export a work order report for a leak. You can do this by navigating to the emissions details page of any leak. Scroll down to the Work Order Report button and choose to export either a PDF or Excel document. These work order reports can be shared with the maintenance team responsible for carrying out on-site repairs. The second tool is our Reports module, located in the left side menu. Several pre-built reports are available, including the emission detail report, repair summary report, and more, where you can adjust the parameters to customize the results to your needs. For example, if you want to view leaks that were repaired in the last 90 days across the entire organization, simply select those parameters, run the report, and export the results. We also provide custom reporting, so if you have specific requests, feel free to contact us. Any custom reports we create for you will be added to your drop-down menu of available report options. The third tool is the Assessments module. An assessment is generated each time a site is visited, regardless of whether a leak is found. You can click into each assessment to view an overview of the visit. The Assessment Details page provides an outline of the work performed on site and documents the weather conditions for that day. If an emission is identified, it will also be noted in the assessment. You can also run an emission detail report at the assessment level. This export will generate an emission summary in Excel, including repair details, due dates, and links to emission photos and videos. It can be easily shared with members of your organization, providing quick access to emission data and associated media. Fourth is the Repair Management module. This tool serves as a quick way to search for leaks organized by state or province. It's also a fast and easy way to export filtered data. For instance, after sorting, you can select all of your leaks and quickly generate an emission detail report. For companies that employ Method 21, an additional module displays your component inventory. Here, you can view and export a complete inventory of all your components. These are just some of the tools Target Online offers to help you master leak repair management and stay compliant. With features like ready-to-submit reports and comprehensive reporting, Target Online makes navigating leak repairs seamless.